Chickadees coming in here for some breakfast.
Okay.
Let me get out in front of you so you won't get you in the fence. Yeah, don't be fighting.
Each other off.
You know, Jim, your buddy Jimmy got plenty of food for all of you. These guys eat oatmeal. Well, at least that's what Jim feeds them. They seem to like it. Where's one way? Right here?
Watch it. And the duck is running him off. Alright, there you go. They're yours. They'll still, they'll both have food.
This one here has only got one wing. So Jim gives him his own little stash over here.
These guys still want to run him off.
Because the other one's running him off, as you just saw.
Yeah. Oh.
They don't feel sorry for the boy who's only got one wing. And there's a little redhead around here somewhere. I don't know where she's at or he. I don't know where he did go. The first time I came out here, he was all over.
There's no food. They don't have much use for you.
What's this blackbird doing? Run that boy off. Oh Lord, you got them all coming out, Jimbo. Not a bad bird feeder, no squirrels. Let me show you, Justin. This is Jim had to cut down a couple trees back here. This is some of the wood left over. Well, them boys would love a little stash like this over there to burn in your fireplace or fire pit. You got the rest of it over here, way over there by that fence. There's a stump and a tree cut down. Another little bird, I don't know what it's called, but it's got a red head. First time I came out here without the food, he was here, but I guess he couldn't wait anymore, went somewhere else. Another beautiful day on the lake. Ben, you would love going up in this thing. You can't see right now, but it only has 2 seats. One's covered up, obviously. No doors, obviously. This is the first time I went up. This is when we landed. We walked around on these wings here. You can't see right now, but did a little fishing. Notice the name on this plane. Experimental. This is the one wing guy. He followed me over here. Guess he thought I had some more food.